Good morning, student. I am JVN Vijay Athikar, Assistant Professor, Department of Science and Technology, Applied Physics, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapith, Women's University, Jaipur. नमस्ते बिटिया, कैसे हो? हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. Today I am giving my video lecture on subject classical mechanics and in discipline MSc Mathematics and MSc Physics first sem and before starting classical mechanics we should know about mechanics. So in the previous lectures we have learned about what is mechanics, why we use mechanics, types of mechanics, and there are different types of mechanics and example phenomena related to mechanics branches. So in today's lecture I will be explain about introduction of classical mechanics. So uh, now now in my video lecture I will be explain first nature of science, models and theory of law, measurement and uncertainty principle, significant figure, unit standardization SI unit, converting unit, order magnitude, rapid estimating, dimension and dimensional analysis. So first we start from the physics. What is physics? Physics is the most or basic of all sciences or the natural phenomena related to our day-to-day life is called physics. The word physics define the parent of all sciences is called physics. Physics another definition is the study of behavior of and structure of matter and energy of interaction between the matter and energy is called physics. Sub area of physics. There are different area of physics. For example, motion. The motion related physics is called mechanics. The most oldest branch of physics. And second is fluid and waves. And next is electricity, electromagnetic branch. And other physics branch is light and optics. It is related to laser, optical fiber, etc. And advanced courses is related to relativity, atomic structure, condensed matter, and nuclear physics. There are most interesting physics topic and the topic which are the most relevant to modern technology. Mechanics. This is the example and diagram of classical mechanics. We are going to our classical mechanics. Classical mechanics is the oldest branch of physics that deals with a big body called the celestial body phenomena related to motion of earth, moon, and big body related phenomena is called classical mechanics. Now, the proper definition of classical mechanics is it is also called classical physics. Classical is before 20th century foundation of pure and applied microscopic physics and engineering. Newton's law plus Boltzmann's statistical mechanics. Speed of relativity is developed in 20th century. Quantum mechanics is developed in 1900 to 1930 and classical mechanics is developed 17th to 18th century still useful today. Classical mechanics. The mechanics in this course the limited microscopic object moving at the speed much and much smaller than the speed of light. So we will work exactly in the reason in the figure. Classical mechanics, relativity mechanics, quantum mechanics, and quantum field theory. uh, a- X direction show the speed and Y direction show the size. The structure of physics is such that this is proper branches of physics which is classified according to diagram. Mechanics, the science how objects move, behave under the given force is called mechanics. Or mechanics is the oldest branch of physics. General, the goal of physics to quantitatively and qualitatively describe the world around us. Physics is creative activity, physics related to observation and explanation, also imagination. Physics related to relation in other field, the parent of all sciences. It is useful in our day-to-day life in chemistry, life science, architecture, engineering, and various technological fields. Physical principle are it is used architecture and engineering, nature of science, it is related to various theory and observation, etc. Quantum theory, model and simulation theory of related to it. The model is analogy of physical phenomena, something we are familiar to and with familiar to with. The more detail than the model put in the mathematical language and law related to it. In this series, we take some prediction, explanation, and some example. The measurement and uncertainty significant figure. Uncertainty means there is some accuracy is not in the reading, so it is called uncertainty. Measurement and uncertainty. The experiment physics is the experimental science or also based on the law and theory. Experiments are never 100% accurate, is always have a certainty in the result. Here is some example related to uncertainty. Significant figure. The number of significant figure is the number of relativity unknown digit in the number. Calculation involving several number. When we multiply or dividing number and when we adding and subtracting numbers. This is example related to it. Uh, some general rule follow in it. This is example, some related example. This is also example related to unit and measurement. It is also some other example. Accuracy and precision. Accuracy is how close measurement come to accepted true or value. Precision is the repetitivity of measurement using the same instrument and getting the same result. Unit standard SI unit. These are related to also physics. SIMK system, length unit meter system, time unit second system, mass unit kilogram. Typical length of approximation, different type of measurement used in physics in the terms of 10 to the power etc etc. Typical time approximation, this is masses approximation, this is unit and standard of SI unit systems, other systems, CGS, British, etc. In this class, we will not unit the conversation. Basic derivative quantity. Basic quantity must be defined in the terms of standard kilograms and derived quantity, unit and equations related to it. Converting units, in physics we convert some units. Magnitude rapid estimation. In physics we also use some rapid estimation. in order of magnitude, etc., made by rounding up all number of calculation of one significant figure with the power of 10. Okay, thank you so much.